back to our channel. So in this video, I will be unboxing and making a short review of the RK61 budget keyboard. So, pinagpilian ko actually is GK61, yung Geek, or itong Royal Kludge 61. This is a 60% mechanical keyboard na binili ko sa Shopee for only 1,895. So, let's see kung ano naman. Okay, so it comes with a simple box. Yan, kung makikita nyo, it says Royal Kludge keyboard. It comes with a simple box, and when you open it, yeah, it's pretty cool. Nakabalot siya sa isang white protective plastic. It's pretty heavy. Maganda yung feel niya. And I bought blue switches for this one. So this comes with either brown switch or cherry red switch. So I chose blue kasi yun yung mas clicky and mas feel ko yung blue. This also comes with an instruction manual, a Type-C USB connector, and a keycaps cooler. Kung gusto nyo magpalit ng keycaps, pwede siya. So, bakit siya yung pinili ko instead of GK61? Halos pares lang sila ng review. Ang pinakaiba lang, yung GK61 is Gateron switches. Ito naman, sariling switch ng RK ito. Kaya ko siya pinili kasi meron siyang wireless design. Meron siyang Bluetooth mode. So, yan. Let's check it out. Yan, so as you can see, meron tayong blue switches. Yan. Blue switch kasi yung pinaka-clicky according sa reviews. Pero it depends on your preferences kung ano mas magugustuhan nyo. So, ang on and off niya is nasa likod. Yan, there you go. So, napakarami niyang RGB modes. Later on, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga RGB modes niya. Alright, so here are the different RGB light modes, and iti-test na rin natin yung sound test kung gaano ka-clicky yung blue switches ng RK61. So to change the light modes, you just click function and then this button. You can also adjust the speed and the brightness of the lights. Merong ripple. Merong up to bottom, merong right to left or left to right. So ayan, this comes per column. So for the sound test, here's how clicky it is. Now we will move on changing the keycaps. Changing the keycaps is actually straightforward and simple. You just need the keycaps spooler, and yan, try natin palitan yung alt button. Ito kasi ginagawa to kung gusto mo magkaroon ng accent yung colors or color accent yung keyboard mo. you just need to push it in, and then kakapit siya, then pull it. Yan, kung makikita nyo, there are blue switches. Yan, blue switch yung binili ko. Yan. Ito, yan yung switch. And then, to replace it, to replace the keycaps, all you need to do is get the new keycap. Yan. And push it down, and there you go. Napalitan na siya ng gray. So I will replace the entire sides with gray keycaps, and I'll show you later kung ano yung kakalabasan niya. There you have it, guys. Nakita nyo yung review sa RGB, sa lighting, and sa sound test ng keyboard. And nakita nyo rin kung gaano kadaling palitan yung keycaps nya. Yan, ito yung ating finished product. If you can see, pinalitan ko lang ng gray accents yung gilid. Yung iba pinapalitan pa nila ng red yung escape key. Pero ako okay na ako sa two-tone. Hindi ko naman kailangan mag 3 colors pa. So yan. So overall impression ko sa RK61, it's a very good budget keyboard. Kasi once you go wireless sa mga ibang keyboards, tumataas na yung presyo, like other keyboards like Anpro or Ducky. Sobrang mahal na nun. Pero ito, at the price of 1,895 pesos, sobrang mura niya para sa akin. Cons, siguro ang cons lang naman nito, hindi hot swappable yung RK61. Ibig sabihin, hindi nare-replace yung switches niya. Okay? Keycaps can be replaced, pero yung switches hindi. So once nasira yung isang switch, it's over for your keyboard, or you need to seek a guy to repair it. Unlike the other keyboards na hot swappable like JK61, at the same price, kasi yung JK61, pwede mong palitan yung switches niya. So pag may nasira kang switch, all you have to do is buy another switch then replace it. Sa Pro naman, yun nga, hindi ka na kasi makakita ng ganun kamura na wireless keyboard, and then 60% and then mechanical siya. So, and I hope this video helped you decide para sa susunod na keyboard na kukunin nyo. It's either RK or GK61. Royal Kludge is a very good keyboard. So, be sure to like our video, like this video, and subscribe para sa mga iba pang videos in the future.